Hello everyone, today I present to you my new timepiece for Christmas. It's my gift for me. It's the Mido Multifort. I chose this model for several reasons. Because I love the bezel in ceramic and this dial. This dial is inspired by the architecture of Seattle Bridge and it's so cool. Like you can see, nice. Mido make very cool timepiece, Swiss of course, with this movement, very highly quality. The size of the dial is not very big, 38 millimeters, and the brown strap is 20 millimeters. It's so cool, it's unisex like we can see, for woman or man, but me, I'm a man with a small waist, like we can see, look perfect on mine. And I love this so much. Say me in comment what you think of this new timepiece. Me, it's one I purchased for 2 or 3 months yet. And finally I chose this one. Perhaps later a shot with lume shot. The lume is very cool on this one. Very cool. Have a good day and Merry Christmas, my friend.